Ever feel your animations are a little euro off? Today, we'll learn how to use Adobe Animate to see previous frames, so you can tighten up your animation and make it flow. Let's dive into how to see our old frames. The ability to see previous frames is a key skill to have when creating animation, especially for lip sync or animation. First, open your Animate project now. Go to the View menu at the top of Animate. Choose Show Onion Skin. Boom! Immediately, you'll see onion skin's faint outlines of the frames before and after your current one. That way, you'll be able to effectively compare your character's current position to their position in previous frames. This feature has a whole bunch of settings. You can control how many frames appear before and after your current frame. You can also adjust the colors by going to the Settings pane. Adjust by selecting the frame to see your old frames and adjusting visibility and the colors, or by customizing the setting on the timeline itself. This enables you to analyze everything in detail so you can adjust any potential gaps in the movement. Watch as your animations immediately become better, perfect for making sure action synchronizes perfectly and the animation flows fantastically. So that's it. You can now review previous frames to make your animations amazing. Do you have any other tips to share? Let us know in the comments.